trying to figure my own life out, and I don't wanna love anybody else till I learn how to fall in love with myself. Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Posting it all up on Instagram isn't helping me figure out who I am. All these edited faces up on my screen, how come none of them really look like me? Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? How do I love myself? How do I love myself?
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. You got me into go.